Before humans built cities, before we invented engines, before the first well pump lifted a single drop of water, nature had already solved the problem. Hidden inside living creatures was the world's first pump. It has been working continuously for hundreds of millions of years. And every mechanical pump you've ever seen follows the same fundamental physics. So, the world's first pump was never built. It was born. The human heart is nature's original pump, and many mechanical pumps are designed based on the same fundamental physics. Both the heart and a pump obey the same principles of fluid mechanics. Fluid only moves because there is a pressure difference. The heart squeezes, pressure rises. Blood moves from high pressure to low pressure. Likewise, a pump spins or pushes. Water moves from high pressure to low pressure. No pressure difference, no flow. So here's something even more amazing. You already carry the most advanced pump ever built. Not in a factory, not in a power station. Inside your chest, your heart. Engineers designed pumps to imitate nature, but nature designed the heart millions of years before humans ever imagined machines. Today, we'll discover how your heart and a mechanical pump work in almost exactly the same way. Nature follows a simple rule. Liquids never move because they want to move. They move because of pressure. Water always flows from high pressure to low pressure. Without pressure, nothing flows. Imagine trying to drink through a straw without creating suction. Impossible. Whether it's water in a city, oil inside an engine, or blood inside your body, every liquid obeys the same law. Someone, or something, must create pressure. That's the job of a pump. Your heart is not just a symbol of love. It is a biological pressure machine. Every heartbeat is actually a carefully timed pumping cycle. When the heart muscle contracts, its chambers become smaller. The blood inside is squeezed. Pressure rises. That pressure pushes blood into the arteries. Then, the heart relaxes. Its chambers expand. Pressure drops. Fresh blood flows back inside. Then, the cycle repeats. Again and again, around 100,000 times every single day. Now look inside a mechanical pump. Instead of muscle, it uses a piston or a spinning impeller. When the piston moves forward or the impeller spins, the volume inside changes. Pressure increases. Fluid is pushed out. Then, the piston moves back, where the spinning blades create a low-pressure region. Fresh liquid enters. The cycle repeats, exactly like the heart. Different materials, same physics. One is alive, the other is engineered. Imagine if blood could flow backward every time your heart relaxed. Your circulation would collapse. That's why your heart contains 4 remarkable valves. They act like automatic doors. When pressure behind them becomes greater, they open. When pressure in front becomes greater, they instantly close. No electricity, no computer, just pressure. Mechanical pumps use exactly the same idea. They're called check valves. They only allow flow in one direction. Nature invented the one-way valve long before engineers copied it. Although the heart and a pump look completely different, they follow the same engineering principles. Pressure. Both create high pressure to move liquid. Without pressure, nothing moves. Flow rate doctors measure how much blood your heart pumps each minute. Engineers measure how much water or oil a pump delivers each minute. Different units, same idea. How much fluid can be moved over time. Energy conversion. A pump converts electricity into motion, motion into fluid pressure. Your heart converts chemical energy from food into muscle movement into blood pressure. Different energy sources, exactly the same destination. Moving fluid, continuous circulation. Neither system simply pushes liquid away. Both create continuous circulation. The heart sends blood through arteries to organs, back through veins, and into the heart again. Industrial cooling systems work almost identically. Pump, pipe, machine. Return pipe, pump again, a continuous loop. But this is where nature goes beyond engineering. A mechanical pump keeps running at the speed it's told. Your heart is intelligent. When you begin running, it immediately beats faster. When you sleep, it slows down. When you're frightened, it prepares your body within seconds. It responds to hormones, nerves, oxygen demand, temperature, and countless signals, all without conscious effort. Engineers can build pumps. Nature built a pump that adapts. The relationship doesn't end with comparison. Engineers study the heart to build better machines. Artificial hearts, blood pumps, medical devices, and even industrial systems borrow ideas from nature's design. This approach is called biomimicry, solving engineering problems by learning from living systems. Every improvement reminds us that nature has been refining its designs for millions of years. The next time you hear your heartbeat, remember, you're listening to the world's most remarkable pump. Every second, it creates pressure, moves fluid, opens valves, maintains circulation. The same principles that move water through cities, oil through engines, and coolant through power plants are quietly at work inside you. Engineering didn't invent pumping. Nature did. And every pump humans have built is, in many ways, a tribute to the original masterpiece beating inside your chest. If this video changed the way you think about your own heart, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves science and engineering. Because once you understand nature, you begin to understand every machine we build. And sometimes, the greatest engineer of all is nature itself.